All right, so today we are going to talk how to navigate quickly if you are having so many high resolutions file. Like right now I'm having all these shots taken from Nikon Z9 at 30 frames per second full JPEGs, and in order to make, and as you can see I'm going through it, it's taking time for each and every image to load and display. So in order to go through quickly so you can select which one you need to edit, you have to go to the Lightroom preference, and not preference, sorry, catalog settings. You need Lightroom catalog settings, and this is where you have to go. So in the file handling, you have to choose 1024 pixels, which is the lowest of the preview, thumbnail preview. Its quality should be lowest for 30 days. That's it. So what's going to happen, you go to the library module, and this way you can easily navigate. As you can see, it's much more faster than before. But if I go to develop module, it's taking, see, it's jerking. It's taking a lot of time, and because it's taking full nearly 30-35 MB JPEG and loading each and every time when you try to scroll. So that's why it's taking too much time. So whenever you try to navigate like hundreds of files and you want to go through quickly, try to select which one you have to go with. Just simply go to the library and start scrolling in this page. But before that, because these are the thumbnail previews, so before that, all you have to do to make sure that in the catalog setting you must check all these details. So these details are really important. As you can see, my catalog is up to 11 GB so far because it has so many files. So that's why. So make the catalog as lowest as quality possible, so it can quickly load in your computer and you can quickly browse through it, especially when you are in library module. Once you go to the develop module, it means that now the Lightroom is going to extract each and every file in full res, and it's going to put much load on your computer. So that's it, and I hope you like this video. Till then, for the next time with some other new stuff, take care of yourself.